guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Trisha. I make cleaning and organizing videos. I also make some cooking videos and vlogs and other stuff. If you like these kinds of stuff, then I'd greatly appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit like and turn on the bell icon to keep you notified every time I post a new video. Anyway, as you can see, we have a very messy house since we have just moved in. This was our second night or third night in our new house and I haven't fully unpacked all of our stuff yet. I've already started deep cleaning our kitchen and I've already finished with our bathroom because those are the two parts of the house which I think should be cleaned first before we start using them. Now I'm going to clean our bedroom and I have to wait for us to buy a new dresser because I can't fit everything in our bedroom closet. So I helped my husband in building our dresser, but mostly he did everything. We weren't able to finish it in one night because we were already tired from buying stuff for the house and we went to different shops to find the things that we still need to have.
If I had a chance, I'd take it faster than a heartbeat. If I caught a glance, I'd run to you like nobody was watching. But it's so hard to get to you, 'cause when you see the sun, I see the moon. Buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are.
We also bought this cute bedside table. We only bought one because I was planning to put a large mirror on the other side of the bed.
Thousands of dollars just
It says on the booklet that it should take two people at least 1.5 hours to finish this cabinet, but for us, it took us 2 nights to finish it. It was all worth it in the end.
maybe one day we can break the distance.
Anyway, let's start unpacking all of our clothes and the rest of our stuff and put them everything in the dresser and cabinet.
I've been holding out, it's hard to hide the truth. You've been
So I want to start by folding our clothes. I've just finished showering here, so please excuse the towel and the wet hair later on in this video.
that there's another side of me. Another world, take a trip, there's something you should see. If you're ready, let me know, then I'll take you with me.
It was easier to put all of our clothes in the dresser because they were already folded when we packed them in the luggage.
Show you all my fantasies. Show you all my fantasies.
There are things you need to know. Things I need to show you.
It was out of fear I turned you away.
As I've said, I fold our clothes using the filing method. So the first two top drawers are for my clothes and the bottom two drawers are for my husband's clothes.
Now you know that there's another side of me. Another world, take a trip, there's something you should see. If you're ready, let me know, then I'll take you with me. Take you with me and show you all my fantasies.
I'm wiping this cabinet using a disposable cleaning cloth and an antibacterial cleaning solution. So I'm going to put all of our hygiene products in this open cabinet, and on the top open cabinet, I'm going to put all of our linens and pillowcases.
You take the bad I'll be a chauffeur. Only for you, I break my enclosure. You close your eyes, I lead the way. Show ya my fantasies. Show you all my fantasies. I've been holding out, it's hard to hide.
I still don't know where to put these items yet. I'm not sure if I have to buy a separate cabinet for this because it sure doesn't look good inside the cabinet. The thing that stresses me out the most is categorizing and organizing the small stuff like these medicines and things like that because I know I have to buy a good organizer for them, but I just couldn't find the right one. This will definitely be my next project. Now, I've decided to hang my coats and my husband's jacket separately. I'll be taking one side using the cute white wooden hangers and he'll take the other side. And I'm going to use the black plastic hangers for his clothes. He wouldn't mind if I use the pretty hangers for my clothes for sure.
There are things you need to know. Things I need to show you.
It was out.
I'm still not very sure during this night how I'm going to put everything in this built-in closet, and I think I'm still going to rearrange everything once I get the hang of it. But for now, what's important is to put everything inside the closet so that we'll have a clear space in our bedroom and bedroom floor. Hi guys, good morning. So I've just finished editing my new video for today and you'll be seeing it. I actually uploaded the video where I shared to you our good news. So in that video, I talked to you about us moving into a new place, and this is the apartment which I was talking about. By this time, probably I've already uploaded my empty house tour, my first cooking video in this house, and right now I'm going to share to you my first cleaning video in this house. And I just would like to show you how the house looks like today. So look, we still have a lot of stuff in the boxes. These are the boxes which I packed. And in the bedroom, let's see. I've already fixed our bedroom and I also cleaned the fridge. I used baking soda and warm water to clean the fridge. If you want to see how I clean my fridge, you can watch the video which I will be linking on the upper right hand corner of the screen. I have a video about that. I use the exact same process in cleaning the fridge that we have here so that we can already store our frozen foods because I don't want them to melt. I don't want to spoil them. I'm not sure if I'm going to show to you the finished look of the house, but I think I'll be showing that to you. I'll be giving a tour once we have everything set already because right now we still have a lot of furnitures to come in. We still have a lot to buy for the house. We wanted to give the house a cozy design, a simple but cozy design. But for now, I will be showing to you some little by little what the house looks like. So we have this new dresser since we don't own the dresser that we have on the other house. And we also bought a new side table. So this is just very small. So I'm still going to finish this one today in this video. So in this video, you'll see me clean the bedroom. We also put this faux fur on our floor because I've looked for inspiration for our bedroom and I saw on one of the pictures that they put faux fur on the floor of their bed, so I want to get that vibe. Anyway, today, join me. I'm going to clean the bedroom today. Because I want to get rid of the boxes on our living area. I want this to be an organized house already. So I'm just going to fix our closet so that I'll be able to clear the boxes on our living area, and then I'm going to clean the entire house probably. I'm not yet very sure because it's already like 2 p.m. Let's see if I can do this as fast as I can. And don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you like this video. I'm just going to fix our bed today. We also bought throw pillows for our bed so that we can have an accent pillow.
Sitting with you now, swear that I might leave the ground. Wish we were moving half speed. I want to feel you, feel me. Why don't we forget all the distractions? I should just be focusing on you. Why don't we just silence all the noise and lower both our voices and talk slow? Yeah, you talk slow. Maybe we should go. I don't want a room so full. I want you to know.
Probably the biggest task that I have today is to sort out the old clothes from this box. Which of these ones my husband is still going to use and which ones we're going to throw or sell.
Want to feel you, feel me. Why don't we forget all the distractions? I should just be focusing on you. Why don't we just silence all the noise and lower both our voices and talk slow? Yeah, you talk slow.
Now I'm going over this cabinet again. I've decided to rearrange the stuff in here because I don't like seeing it this way.
With only putting in our feet, let's take all the walls off. Cause there's a lot of stars to see. I don't want anything but you. So why don't we forget all the distractions? I should just be focusing on you. Why don't we just silence all the noise and lower both our voices and talk slow? Yeah, yeah, talk slow.
So this is what our closet looks like now, guys. So I'm a little bit satisfied. I'm just not satisfied in this part because probably I'll be buying a big organizer or a big Tupperware like that, which can fit in this place so that I can put these stuff in that Tupperware. And then I'm quite satisfied with how this looks. This is where we're going to keep our linens and towels and pillowcases for now. Now, I'm just going to put some decor in this drawer so that it would look pretty. And then that's it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you want to see all of my videos, you can check out my channel. Also, send out some love by subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and turn on the bell icon to keep you posted every time I post a new video. See you in my next video!